Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll tell you how you can hack your Nokia 700 phone, and this video should also work on other phones like Nokia 701, 603 and Nokia 808. First of all, I am dialing star hash 0000 hash on my phone to show you what phone I am using and what is the software version. To show you that my phone is currently not hacked, I'll try to install a file and it will give you an error which you'll be able to see on the screen. And if I try to hack the phone using the traditional Norton method, it gives me the error that the component is built in, so that doesn't work on it. So let's get started with the actual hack. The files needed for this hack can be downloaded from the description of this video. Transfer the files to your phone's internal memory or the memory card. First install the file number 1, which is a safe manager. Okay, please install the safe manager to your phone's internal memory, that is C drive. After installation, the program will open automatically. You will get a few prompts. Please say no to all these prompts. If the program doesn't open automatically, then you can go to your menu and then manually open it. Check for a program named Safe Manager. It would be a red square icon. Now we'll click on Other. Then we'll go to File Manager. Say no to the prompt that comes on. Then you need to go to E drive. In the E drive, look for a folder FP2 hack. Click on it. In the FP2 hack folder, click on the file updated SWI search score.dat and then click on options and then copy this file. Your file now has been copied to the clipboard and you need to now go and paste it in a specific folder. So go to C drive, then the resource folder, and then the SWICERT store folder, then dat folder, DAT. In this folder, then click on options and then click insert. So that will paste the file over here. It's a protected folder, so it will give you a code and ask you to enter that code. Just enter that code on the keypad and press OK. Replace the file, say yes, and you are done. So we have replaced the file with our own version of the file. Now go back. Now the second step is to install ROMPATCHER. You can either install it from the E50 hack folder using the file manager in the safe manager, or you can just install the file number 2 that's in the description of this video. Please make sure to install the ROMPATCHER in the C memory. After installation of the ROMPATCHER, go to your menu and open it. Here it is. Say OK. In the ROMPATCHER, all you have to do is click on the to install server patches and the open for all patch, Once they turn green, you are good to go. Also, you need to add all those three to auto. Just click on options and add to auto. Once you have added them to auto and click them so that they turn green, then you are good to go, and your phone has been hacked. Now you can install any file that you wish. Okay, now to make sure that our phone is hacked, I'll try to install the files that were previously giving me an error, and you'll be able to see that the files are installing without any errors and the programs are opening as well.